Good morning, class. Good morning, sir. So, which chapter is going on, children? Sit down, everyone. Sit down first. Okay. Which chapter is going on? Habitats of the living things. Okay, living organism. Fine. So, आप लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा आज? चलिए एक छोटा सा टेस्ट हो जाए. सर आप लोग को यहाँ पे बुलाएंगे. सर विल आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चन जो भी आज के क्लास में हुआ है एंड यू हैव टू गिव ऑनेस्टली, यू हैव टू गिव द आंसर. ठीक है? जितना समझ में आया, जो भी समझ में आया आपको आंसर करना है. ठीक है? कॉन्फिडेंटली. ओके, आर यू रेडी ऑल ऑफ यू? ओके, नाउ the sir is going to ask the question. Sir,
What do you mean by habitat?
what do you mean by habitat? सर का पहला क्वेश्चन है. Who will answer this? जल्दी से हैंड रेज करो. Who will answer this? सर ने अभी पूछा, जल्दी से. यस, बहुत सारे हैंड्स अप हो गए. ठीक है, अब चलो सबसे पहले सर पूछेंगे. सर आपसे जो जिसको जवाब देना है सर बताइए इसमें से किससे पूछें. कौन? हु विल गिव द आंसर?
Yes, you.
चले रिया. रिया स्टैंड अप एंड कम हियर. यस.
What do you mean by habitat?
The place of where the living organism take shelter, take food or take rest, and this is known as its habitat.
One point she has left. So anyone can breed. What do you mean by breeding?
Where the baby has
Reproduce. Where do they reproduce?
Yes.
So if animals take rest, take food, take rest, and breed, these three things done by the organism that comfortably in the place, dwelling place, that is called habitat. As for example, a fish lives in water, you know. A fish can do these three things: take food, take rest, as well as breed. Where? Where do the fishes take food, rest, and breed? In water. Hence, water is a habitat of fish. So those who live in water as a habitat, that is called aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat. If their dwelling place is water, they do these three things: take rest, take food, and breed in water. They are said to be having aquatic water.
Okay.
And then, if they do this all on the land, they are said to be having terrestrial habitat. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Riya. Please clap for Riya. Okay. Okay, go. Now, next question, sir. Next question. Sir will ask you the next question, children. Be ready.
So, who will give the answer? The difference between arboreal and aerial habitat. The difference between arboreal and aerial habitat.
Okay, who will answer?
The difference between arboreal animal and aerial animal is arboreal animal live on tree, whereas aerial animals live in air.
So, if the organism live in air like the birds, okay, they do all these three things on the air part. Mostly they live in air. They are said to be aerial habitat. They have adaptation. Their bodies are modified to take food, to take rest and breathe in air even. And if they are doing on trees, then they are said to be arboreal, like monkeys. Monkeys having arboreal habitat, and birds, aviators, they are said to be the group of birds are called aviators. उड़ने वाले. So aviators are said to be aerial habitat. Okay? In land habitat, we have a different type of mode of habitats for the inland. Okay, so what are the forest habitat and desert habitats? Anyone can differentiate forest and desert? Forest and desert. Anyone? Forest and desert, yes.
Here, the forest, there are so many trees, and the land is very fertile, and it is not temperate weather.
Why forest have large number of trees and rich number of flora and fauna means the plants and animals? While the deserts have it.
So because the land of forests is very much fertile, and
Why the forests are fertile? Why? That is my question. Why they have large number of trees and
so they
animals? Yes.
Because water
Sit down,
is
sit down.
present there.
Huh?
Sir, because water is present there.
Yes. Plenty of rain. Okay. Thank you. What's your name?
Salute.
Ruth. Okay. Thank you, Ruth. So due to heavy rainforests are generally found in the tropical area where there is plenty of rain, more than 100 to 200 centimeter rain per annum, rain precipitation, and as well as temperature, sunlight. The sunlight and water, these are the conditions which support the plants when the rich forests are growing in that area. So the animals who live in that area, generally, this area will be near the equator. Okay, if it is a globe, it is the earth, and this is the 0 degree, 0 degree latitude. So at 0 degree latitude, and when we move away from this, so this area